Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Binance Singapore, and there's a promotion going on, which is the same one. So basically, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, let's get started with the video with Pruvit. So basically, what is Pruvit? It is a diet supplementary, which is a keto diet. So basically, if you know what is ketosis or keto diet, maybe if you are already doing the keto diet, and of course if you want to enhance it, this product that Pruvit is providing, which is ketosis, keto OS, which is a product that enhance better and faster, how I say it, the ketosis stage, which is being produced when you are doing keto diet and of course exercising and stuff. So if you do not know what is it about, you can head over to the website. Basically the link is down below, so you can just hit on learn and maybe hit on to keto 101, and basically everything here is going to tell you what is keto, and after that, yep, all the perks about it, the learning and stuff, and of course you can learn, and of course there's reward program as well. And of course I've been into Prove It for a year plus. So basically this, I would say the product is very good. And of course, if you are a person that concerned about your health, so basically if you are um very worried for your health and stuff, if you do not want to do not want to exercise that much, this also can help you achieve ketosis stage, and of course it can help you with weight loss and other stuff. And of course, yeah, good luck, and of course try the product out if you are interested in it. And of course I can tell you it is a life-changing product, I would say. Just trust me. So links down below, click on it, and of course let's head over to Binance now. So basically for Binance, the free $20 is still on. So basically you can invite friends to Binance Singapore and you get to earn great rewards. So basically if you are a Singaporean and of course you have a SingPass and stuff, you can use SingPass to verify with Binance Singapore. The process is very fast. Basically do not need your KYC and stuff, your photo and stuff, if I'm not wrong. So basically their promotion is until the June of 30th 2020. So basically they have extended their promotion again. So previously the promotion was until December 31st or 31st. So basically, yeah, during the January period, recently they just updated it and it is until June 30th. So basically what is the requirement? All users that registered and pass Binance KYC will receive a $20 Singapore dollars when you complete a total of 100 Singapore dollars of valid trading volume, buy or sell across any pairs on Binance Singapore. So basically just hit on the dashboard and you can buy sell cryptocurrency very fast and easy. And after that, you can use my link over here to get this $20 eligible for you. So basically this is a one-time thing. So you trade up to 100, you will get $20. And after that, for let's say if you have friends or family who are interested in crypto as well, cryptocurrency, you can use this exchange to let them buy and sell crypto over there on Binance Singapore. Why would I recommend Binance Singapore is, one, because of the referral program. They are giving you $20 for free once you trade with $100. And of course the fees on Binance Singapore is very low, 0.6% if I'm not wrong. Yep, over here let's head over to the fees and check it out. So over here, buying, selling, and of course buying from any stuff. Over here, the pairs you buy, on the order fee is only 0.6%, which is very little compared to Singapore's largest, I would say, exchange, CoinHako, which is very famous in Singapore, and of course I believe in other exchange as well. They have around 1% fee towards 0.8%, depending on the promotion and stuff. But for Binance Singapore, they are taking on 0.6%, which is pretty low, I would say. And of course, before you want to like link Binance with your account and stuff, how do you buy and sell is basically using the service over here, Xfers. So basically Xfers is a virtual bank in Southeast Asia, and of course you can open an account, and of course you need to verify your details and stuff because it is a virtual bank. So sign up and get verified over here, and once it's verified you can link your Binance Singapore account towards Xfers, and from there Xfers is going to teach the top up is very fast, I would say. Every time I top up my funds, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to show up on my Xfers account, which is very fast, I would say. compared with other services out there that you want to top up the account, you have to wait at least 1 to 3 working days most. And after that, for Xfers, the top up process for me is very fast, and I have not ran into any trouble because once you top up it, there's going to be instruction for you to follow, and if you follow it correctly and everything, your transaction has been done correctly, and of course the details memo and stuff is entered properly, you will see your funds within 10 minutes or 15 minutes the most. Top 15 minutes, the fastest I seen was around 5 minutes. So once I sent the money over, after a while I went to the toilet, and after that I came back, less than 5 minutes the funds is already there. So yeah, this is how efficient the Xfers is. So basically, if you're interested in buying crypto, first you need to sign up for Xfers, and after that Binance. So basically on Binance, use my referral link to get a free $20. And of course for Xfers, there's no link, just head over to xfers.com. I'm gonna link it down below as well. Just click on it and sign up, and from there you are able to link your account and verify your account on Xfers into Binance. And after that, top up towards Xfers, top up on Xfers, and you can head over to Binance, link it up, and you will see the funds over there. So basically how does it look like is on the dashboard over here. Just click on buy and sell, and after that over here, pay with Xfers, you have to click the option. There's option over here, Binance Cash Wallet and Xfers. So once you top up Xfers, it's gonna show the amount you've top up, and depending on how much you want to buy. So let's say you want to start off with $100, you can buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency, and the fee is only 0.6 cents. 0.6 cents. And after that, the Bitcoin that you're gonna receive is shown over here, and it's going to show you the price and stuff, and it is price will refresh within 46 seconds, 1 minute. So basically you hit on max again, let's say you hit on max, and after that your max is 100, it's gonna refresh the rates over here. So let's say if you enter $100 and you see the price of Bitcoin is suitable and you wish to buy it, just do not click on any stuff over here, or do not click on anything, just leave it at 100, and after that just click on buy and confirm your order, and everything will be good for you. And after that, for the referral program, if you buy up to $100, you'll get $20. It is not an instant thing. So basically what you need to do is every day they are going to pay out the referral program, the referral money, every if I'm not wrong, over here 8 a.m. distributed before 10 a.m. So basically, let's say you buy your crypto before 10 a.m. the next day you will get your money at the next day 8 p.m. and stuff. So basically the terms and conditions over here, I'm gonna just link it down below on the video. You can just look it up, and of course basically that's the end of this video, the promotion I'm talking about. So basically if you're interested, try out Kitos, and of course if you're interested in cryptocurrency, try out Binance, and of course follow the steps that I've already spoke about, and you can have a good journey on cryptocurrency. And of course join me on Pruvit if you are very interested in your health. So basically if you have any questions about Pruvit, you can just head over to the website, and after that click on the contact, and you will be contacting my girlfriend, which is managing my account on Kitos, and she is the one with more knowledge about the in-depth of keto diet, and of course on Pruvit, because for me I do not have much time to really go and dive deep into it and get a lot of explanation done, because I do not have the time simply. So I only care about cryptocurrency, to be very honest. Cryptocurrency is my main concern. I want to make video every week about cryptocurrency, and of course at the same time promote better health on Pruvit, and of course hope you guys can support me. So that's the end of the video. Hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification, and see you on the next video about the rebate maybe or something else. So let's subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.